What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking our first look at the all-new 2027 Land Cruiser, and if you're a fan of rugged SUVs, you're definitely going to want to stick around. Toyota's legendary off-roader is back with an updated design, improved technology, and the kind of capability that has made the Land Cruiser one of the most respected names in the automotive world. At first glance, the 2027 Land Cruiser looks tougher and more refined than ever. Toyota has managed to blend its classic boxy styling with modern design elements, creating an SUV that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. The front end features a bold grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a more aggressive bumper that gives the vehicle a commanding road presence. The squared off-body lines remain, preserving the Land Cruiser's iconic silhouette, while new wheel designs and updated lighting signatures add a premium touch. Moving around the vehicle, you'll notice the Land Cruiser maintains its rugged personality. The higher ground clearance, muscular fender flares, and durable body cladding emphasize its off-road intentions. Toyota has also improved aerodynamics without sacrificing the SUV's traditional appearance. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough terrain, the new Land Cruiser looks ready for any challenge. Step inside and the cabin reveals a significant leap forward in comfort and technology. The dashboard features a clean, modern layout centered around a large touchscreen infotainment system. Premium materials are used throughout the interior, giving the SUV a more upscale feel than previous generations. Soft touch surfaces, high-quality stitching, and available leather seating help create a luxurious atmosphere. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information, while wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and an upgraded premium sound system ensure that both drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained. Toyota has also focused on practicality, offering generous cargo space and flexible seating configurations for families and adventure seekers alike. Under the hood, the 2027 Land Cruiser is expected to continue Toyota's commitment to efficiency without compromising performance. Reports suggest a powerful hybrid powertrain could be standard, combining a turbocharged engine with electric assistance to deliver impressive torque and improved fuel economy. This setup would provide the strong low-end power needed for towing, climbing steep trails, and handling difficult off-road conditions. Toyota's advanced four-wheel drive system remains a key highlight, with multiple terrain modes, locking differentials, and sophisticated suspension technology. The Land Cruiser is designed to perform confidently in mud, sand, snow, and rocky environments. Whether you're planning a weekend adventure or a cross-country road trip, this SUV promises exceptional capability and reliability. Safety is another area where the new Land Cruiser shines. Toyota is expected to equip the SUV with the latest version of its advanced driver assistance suite. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert are likely to come standard. These technologies help make everyday driving safer and more convenient. As for pricing, Toyota has not officially announced final numbers yet, but industry estimates suggest the 2027 Land Cruiser could start around $60,000 in the United States. Higher trims with additional luxury features and off-road equipment may push pricing well beyond that mark. While it won't be the cheapest SUV in its class, the Land Cruiser's reputation for durability, capability, and long-term value continues to make it an attractive option. Overall, the 2027 Land Cruiser appears to be an impressive evolution of a legendary nameplate. It combines classic ruggedness with modern technology, enhanced comfort, and improved efficiency. If Toyota delivers on expectations, this could easily become one of the most desirable SUVs on the market. What do you think of the new 2027 Land Cruiser? Is this the ultimate adventure SUV, or would you choose something else? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video!